So this is going to be a quick tutorial to show you the BODMAS, the order of operations. We saw a bit of this today. You've got a quick homework for you to do for Wednesday. We'll go through the order of this. We go from right to left, and we always go there in that order. We start with B, which is short for brackets. And if there's anything inside the brackets, you do that first. O is for order. And if you've got a number, a small number above it, like a square, then you do that after the brackets. D is for division. M is for multiplication. A is for addition. And S is for subtraction. You do this in order so that you always end up getting to the right answer. So the same answer as anybody else if you saw this without any brackets. So I'm going to show you a couple of problems and a couple of examples on how you can solve them. Here's our first. So, always look at this and go from left to right. Let's start with brackets. Do whatever's inside the brackets first. So I'm going to pull down here the 4 and the 3, and that makes 7. Okay, that's done. There's no orders, so I'm going to take that off. Are there any divisions? There's no divisions. I'll then do the multiplying. So I've got to do the 7 multiplied by the 7, and that gives me 49. That's what I do next. So that's my multiplications done. No, it's not. I've got here 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 makes my 10 right there. Now my multiplications are done. And then look at my additions. So I bring the 14 and I add that to the 10 that I've already done. So 14 and 10 equals 24. And I'm going to bring this down to here. So all I need to do now is my addition is done, and now I need to do my subtraction. My subtraction is the 49 subtract 24. And if I do that, I will be left with an answer of 25. That's your first one. Here's one more. If you want to go at this before I go through it, then you can pause it and have a go for yourself and see if you get it right. Going to start with brackets. I've got brackets to do here. 3 times 6 is 18. The second, so that's my brackets done. Now I'm doing any orders. So I've got 6 that I've got to square. So I'm going to do 36 here. So far, so good. No divisions. Multiplication I've already done inside the brackets, so there's no more. And then do my additions. 4 and 4 gives me 8. And I've got to add 36 to 12. 36 and 12 will give me 48. Okay? So that's my additions done. I finally do my subtractions. So I've got 48 here. I've got 48 here. I'm going to subtract 18. And I'm going to subtract 8. To make it a little easier, I'll add these two together, which makes 26. And I'll finally do 48 subtract 26. I'm not going to use the squares at all. And that will leave me with 22. That's my final answer there. So, below this, there are some questions for you to complete. Submit those when you're done, and we'll see how you do. Well done.